Hey there! Welcome! This video will walk you through creating users and assigning roles in your account at my.compeak.com. You will learn the following: how to add and delete users, how to assign roles to them, how to pass account ownership to another user, and change support ticket visibility for your team. After you create a CommPeak account, you become its owner. Select Settings in the menu on the left to open the Users tab and see that you are the main user. This tab is unavailable if you are not an admin or the account owner. As the main user, you can add more users with permissions to access different areas of the portal. Click on the plus sign next to the number of users. In the side panel, enter the user's first and last name, their email, and password. Then select a role or several roles this user will play. The admin role gives you access to all sections of the portal. The user will also be allowed to create and delete other users, except for the account owner or the other admins. The Reports role allows running reports. Users with the Tech Configuration role will be able to modify SIP account and caller ID settings, access the SMS, speech-to-text, and lookup sections, and run CDR reports. Finance provides access to the billing section and lets the user change profile settings. Users with the Orders role will be able to access the SMS, speech-to-text, and lookup sections. Click Create User. The new user will be notified by email and will need to confirm the creation. Users with any role can contact our support in any way available in the My CommPeak portal. From their user accounts, they can open support requests and view their request history. All the users can search for the information they need in our Help Center. You can pass the ownership of the account to another user. On the Users tab, find the user you are going to make the main one and click the eye icon on the right side of the line. Select a new role for yourself and click Save Changes. Use this option with caution, as such changes are non-reversible. Another useful feature on the Users page available to the main user only is the ability to change the visibility of the support tickets your team creates. By default, all users can view their own tickets only. Toggle the switch to the right to let each user view tickets created within your team. Thank you for watching, and good luck!